Alright, so I'm just going to do this look for you guys today. This is sort of like my interpretation of a Jack Skellington sort of Halloween glam look. Yeah, so keep watching. Okie dokie, so what I'm going to do today is I'm sort of going to do a glam Jack Skellington. So I've just got some face paint, white obviously, as Jack Skellington is white. And I'm just going to paint that up. I've already primed my face just so that when I do take it off it's going to be a lot easier. And we'll see how this face paint works. So yeah, just sort of keep packing it on just to make sure it covers everything. Alright, I'm going to make sure I get on my eyes as well. I'm not going to get my ears because I am going to wear my hair down, but if you really want to, you could probably do your ears as well. And as you can tell, I'm leaving my eyebrows because it's not going to be like a full-on like Jack Skellington look. It's going to be more just a glam Jack Skellington. Alright, and then I'm just going to do my neck as well. Just like that, just a short one because here's a skeleton and you kind of want to make your head look bigger. I'm just going to do another lap over of my my face with the white just to make sure that it's really on there. Alright, so I feel like I am sufficiently white. And now I'm going to go in with some black, like this dip eyeliner stuff. And I'm just going to do the eyes. So this is from Essence. Alright, so I just need to make sure that I'm really... Alright. So I'm going to give it just a big, sort of like a big wing going on. Just sort of make it go right up to the eyebrow. Alright, and then I'm going to go in with the black as well, but I'm going to do my eyebrows. Just sort of paint them in black instead of the normal brown that I would do. And just make sure they look sufficiently scary enough. And also always remember that your eyebrows are not sisters, they are cousins. Because my eyebrows never look the same, they are meant to be, you know, sisters. But I'm pretty sure mine aren't even related right now. Alright, so we've got that going on. And we've got the brows, we've got the eyeliner. And then I'm just going to go in with a really red lip. So again, using that same one that I have been using for a wee while by OXO, or OXX, sorry. Alright, so just going to go and finish going in with the lips. Alright, and then to go over it, I'm just going to use just a lip gloss with kind of like a pinky colour. Just to give it a good sheen. Alright, and then what I'm also going to do, is just thinking about it, seeing here I need to do my eyelashes. I'm going to do quite a bit of mascara on them because I've got a lot of white on them now. And make sure you get those bottom lashes too. So when you're doing your lashes, do just make sure you do both sides, not just one. So the top and the bottom. all done, and then I'm going to grab the dip eyeliner again. I'm just going to go in down the bottom, and I'm just not going to do it on the waterline. So sort of to still give that skull look. Alright, and then just make sure that your eyes are doing what you want them to do. Just touch up if you have to. Alright, and then I'm gonna add in his iconic smile. So with my eyeliner, just gonna go in with it here. And just on that side too. Then I'm going to add some stitches. Then I'm going to do my lips as well. And then just going to do the nose, because here's a skull. Sort of do like almost like a triangle. And just fill that in. There we go. So that's my final look, and yeah, so make sure that you like and subscribe, and don't forget to press that notification bell.